Hello, I'm Ross from the Crafty Robot, and I'm here with my cousin Daniel.
Hello.
We have taken over the Orkido magazine pop-up shop in Hammersmith, and we're running robot building workshops. We're doing potato wars with the Smartibot, and we're doing little paper cup robots with the Fizzbits. But in between the sessions, we got some time, and and we're in a shopping mall. So we went around the shopping mall looking for things that we could turn into Smartibot projects, and we got.
So we went to the Entertainer toy shop, and we found this Lego Technic set. Bought it for £13, so pretty cheap. And yeah, we hooked it up to the Smartibot.
And we made this, which is, it's got 4 motors on the wheels and then an extra motor on top, which basically articulates the whole thing so it can bend in the middle and you can control that. And so you can use that to steer by articulating the middle, but also using the differential steering with the motors. So we just tried the Lego robot upstairs. I think it was pretty good.
Yeah, we got some really good shots, and it worked well in the rough terrain. So yeah,
I think it's the most impressive off-road Smartibot I built so far. These spikes on the tyres are really good. And actually, look, it's got some nice mud spats on it. We're finding though that the battery box being up the top was a bit awkward, and so I've got a little 2S LiPo battery, so we're going to put that on and see what that does to the performance. So it was really good with the LiPo battery.
Much better than the big battery pack.
Yeah, I mean it's lighter, so it's faster. It's got slightly higher voltage, so it's slightly more powerful, and also it's much better balanced because it sits over here. So yeah, it's really fun. I mean, it's like a pretty capable 4-wheel drive car, considering it's made of Lego.
Terrain very well.
I feel like I played with way bigger rear control cars that cope with that kind of terrain much worse than that. You can't drive over grass and stuff. Yeah. And this is made of a £13 Lego kit, so feeling pretty good about that. Yeah. There's a link in the bottom to the Lego kit if you want to buy it. And thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.